Welcome to the solution demo for the Audit Bond product. Today we will review findings and remediation. The cost of not addressing an audit issue can be high, including regulatory fines, fraudulent activity, and security breaches. Audit Bond provides a single place to manage issues and track remediation plans, instead of the traditional approach of tracking items across multiple spreadsheets. It helps you collaborate with internal clients on remediation plans, and it provides extensive and easy-to-use reporting options. In the Operational Audit 2019, an issue has been found. It seems like the procedure to obtain a list of all employees is incomplete and an item has been noted. So with this information, you can now create a finding. When you create a finding, you can input details as necessary, whether it be a finding instruction, recommendation, risk status, whether or not it should be published to your final report, and others. Once you have completed this is where the workflow kicks off and where you can now involve additional members as necessary. Navigating to the Findings tab, you'll notice several findings associated with the audit project. Selecting the incomplete employee listing for June 2019, you can review the findings source, the procedure it's related to, data analytics, and you also have the opportunity to add in additional information to support the finding. Once you've gathered enough information, you can now move to the Follow-up and Remediation tab to start the process. Let's say that your overall status is open. You'll notice that there is a remediation plan in place, and this is where you can conduct and include new actions. Actions, much like requests, are the ability to leverage your internal organization to help support identified remediation activities, whether they be procedures or controls. You can include a title, the assigned user, the control or issue owner's name, additional information such as the summary of the finding, including the remediation plan, and a due date for reporting purposes, along with the current status of the issue. The Discussion tab allows you to store in one central place all conversations that have occurred. This includes data on the person entering the information, the date it was posted, and the ability to also manage linked evidence. Once the action items have been closed or the issue has been fully remediated, you can now access the last tab, Retest Information. Here you can add in information with regards to any retest work, and this may be your retest documents, results, or evidence. Within the Evidence section, you may decide that you want to add in a to-do or coaching note. In this example, you can see a coaching note has been included and linked to an individual for that person to review. A description of the task can be provided, who the assigned person is, the due date of this task, and a space to include other comments. Once a finding has been completed, visual indicators provide the current sign-off state, and the overall status for each finding is clearly visible as well. Now you can get into the reporting portion of the tool. Because it is possible to report on almost every aspect of Audit Bond, every element and every header within the solution can be pulled out as information. So let's see what that looks like. At the top right of the screen, you have a progress link. Clicking this brings you to a page where you can see the progress of various auditable objectives. From this view, for each object, you can see the residual risk score and whether or not you still have any inherent risk. The To-Do link reveals all coaching notes or to-dos assigned to various users within your team. Moving on to requests, here you can track all requested items sent to various members of your internal staff or internal clients who you may be working with. And once everything has been closed out, this is where you can go into the final tab, Results. Here you can conclude on your final audit results, whether it be a rating description, or any management responses, and you can also pull out any one-click reports as necessary. And as the name implies, these genuinely are one-click reports. These pull in elements that we discussed earlier, which allow you to have a report ready at a moment's notice. Frequently, reporting needs can utilize a significant amount of resources and time to generate within your organization. What you see here is the ability to generate a report quickly. This report pulls in elements and attributes that we've seen already, whether it be the background, purpose and scope of the audit project, down to the overall audit rating, and even to the summary of the findings. A business intelligence reporting element is embedded within the tool. This allows you to pull out any reports as necessary. Maybe you need an aged issue listing or a report on all outstanding items by owners. AuditBond can facilitate your request. The last section to review here is how you can prioritize areas from a dashboard perspective. The dashboard provides an at-a-glance view of objectives, the status of the project plan, relevant procedures, along with the state the reviews are in. So to recap this video, you saw that AuditBond provides a single place to manage issues and track remediation plans. It helps you collaborate with internal clients on remediation plans and provides extensive and easy-to-use reporting. To learn more about AuditBond, watch the other videos in this series, contact your account executive, or email us at info@wegalvanize.com.